Tell me something. How's the party scene in Nigeria?
That's why I said you should come to Nigeria. एक club है वहाँ पे Lagos में, club का नाम है Boho.
Okay.
Bouncers suits नहीं पहनता है. The ancient Egyptians used to dress.
What do you prefer, Indian girls or Nigerian girls now?
ये record हो रहा है क्या?
Tell me better. दिल्ली ज़्यादा पसंद है या बॉम्बे ज़्यादा पसंद है?
अच्छा, if it's Delhi, Bombay, I think I like Bombay more. I just like the life here. It's very fast and like I like the kind of people I meet here. They kind of align with what I'm actually pursuing. Reasons why I don't like Bombay is because it's so expensive. Too expensive, yeah. That's the problem. I think they say it's next to New York when it comes to how expensive
When it comes to how expensive the housing is here.
Lucknow, I like if I want to settle somewhere, I think I love to settle in Lucknow.
Yeah, you will have to settle in Lucknow.
Yeah, it's cheap. It's a very clean city. It's so traffic-less. There's no traffic.
That's a great thing to hear.
अच्छा लगता है.
I'm listening for the first time that somebody wants to settle in Lucknow after they take retirement, and I feel very proud as a boy from UP.
I love to have a house in Lucknow. I just go and like chill there. I mean, it's a place where you can just have your own peace.
अच्छा मुझे आपको एक बात बताओ. What's the difference between when you initially started, like तेरे 200k followers थे, अब तेरे nearly million followers हैं. What do you think is the difference in acceptance, and why do you think people love you so much in India? तेरी 90% following तो India से ही होगी ना?
मेरा 99.9% following India नहीं है. वो 0.1 जो है ना वही मेरा Nigerian दोस्त हो.
0.1 Nigerian दोस्त है.
Yeah. In my demographics, I don't even see Nigeria there, man. It's usually India, UAE, United States, UK और कौन सा देश?
नाइजीरिया होगा फिर.
नाइजीरिया नहीं है वो, उसका नाम नहीं लेना चाह
तो
जिसको समझना है वो समझ आएगा.
How your life? Why do you think people in India love you so much?
Honestly, this question I keep asking myself also every day. I mean, but I meet people who from fans turn to friends. From the survey I've gotten from them, is just they like how desi I am.
You are a very desi guy.
Yeah, I mean, it's
sometimes you're more Indian than the other.
Exactly. It's come to me by default, but I don't know. They feel very connected to whatever content I make. It's around India. I've made like content as Ped Chuna Wala. I love going to temples because I get some amount of peace and restitution when I go to my temples.
That's so good.
I mean, I don't know puja the vajan jo hota hai, but like when I go, I just.
Are you came for that Ganpati at office also?
Yeah, I was there.
So that's pretty cool.
I think people just like me for who I am. They just love me for who I am, and that's why I don't like being around people who are fake. मुझे पता होता था कि ये मेरे vibe से बैठ ही नहीं रहा है. So I always like distance myself from them.
वो कर भी लेना चाहिए.
Yeah,
मुझे भी लगता है कि if you are fake and you can identify a fake person early, then it's better that you distance yourself as early as possible. Tell me something. Bollywood movie देखते हो?
That's my new genre. For the last 3 years, I've been seeing only Bollywood movies. मुझे नवाजुद्दीन बहुत पसंद है, मनोज बख्श भी बहुत पसंद है.
तुमने वो देखी है Gangs of
Yeah, I've seen Gangs of Wasseypur twice, 3 times actually.
Nice. I love Gangs of Wasseypur.
I love Ranbir Kapoor also because I like how he's always able to play character so real and like people are able to connect with it.
I think you must have last seen him in Animal only.
Animal, yeah.
What a movie, man.
I love Pankaj Tripathi also.
Seen Mirzapur?
Mirzapur, yeah, I've seen Mirzapur. Yeah, वो बाप series है यार, बाप series.
I think that is the holy grail of Indian series. That's the best series ever made in India. Maybe after Scam 1992. If you have you seen Scam 1992?
Harshad Mehta. Yeah, I've seen that.
That's the best series in India. And after that,
I love that series also.
And even I like Family Man a lot.
Family Man, yeah. I've not seen the recent season. I've not got time to see.
It's damn good. Please.
Yeah, I have to see Family Man and Delhi Crime. Though I've seen Homebound. Homebound is also great.
Homebound is a great movie, man.
Yeah. I'm not able to remember this guy's name, yaar. In Gangs of Wasseypur. याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
Definite.
Not definite. एक बार देख लेता हूँ.
देख लो. वो कौन है ये? मुझे भी जानना भी है कौन है.
I like Piyush Mishra. I've worked with Piyush Mishra once also.
You worked with Piyush Mishra?
Yeah.
Which project?
It's a non-release movie. I've been in post-production.
Oh, that's so cool, yeah.
I
love Piyush Mishra. The way he has done music for all the top films.
Yeah.
Wow,
एक ही बगल में चांदनी होगा, एक ही बगल में रोटियां.
इससे तो गाना गाएंगे नहीं हम लोग क्योंकि फिर YouTube पे कॉपीराइट है.
Yeah. Rajkumar Rao,
bro.
Yeah, I like Rajkumar Rao.
Crazy guy.
I also like this guy.
Vikrant Messi.
Yeah, I love.
What a movie.
Yeah, but I think he resigned, man.
He resigned,
Yeah.
but I think he'll be back soon. I think you cannot stay away from the glamour way for a very long time.
Yeah.
But he's a great actor.
Yeah.
I recently saw him comparing for an event at the Gateway of India for Pahalgam attack martyrs. He was comparing the event and he's so damn good at the stage as well. He's done all the right things, especially in 12th Fail. He was absolutely great.
Great, yeah.
What's your dream role in a movie like? अभी तो मूवी कर रहा है, पीयूष मिश्रा का तू रोल करके आया है. तेरे को किस तरीके का रोल करने का मन है?
Comedy. I think I'm very comfortable in a comedy fort. Like with a comedy, if it's a comedy zone, I'm very very comfortable with it. I don't want to play a stereotypical role.
हमारी कास्टिंग टीवी स्टेreotypical रोल लेके आती होगी कई बार.
I mean like it's jail scene, drug dealer. I mean I don't want to play all these roles. I mean I'll play them if I get them if they're good. Depends
Good character
on
roles.
good character roles. But like I want to do something like in a comedy fort. Like you know the way Akshay Kumar was good with all this comedy.
Yeah. खाना है? खाना खाया था? लंच किया था?
मैं खाना अभी आज खाया नहीं हूँ.
कुछ खा ले भाई, मैं भी कुछ खा लेता हूँ. क्या खाएगा बताओ? So you want to have KFC है सामने.
Why KFC, man?
Right, KFC right there.
नहीं.
In Nigeria, what kind of
It's
chicken?
usually desi chicken, man. Desi chicken. I mean,
Roasted chicken.
Roasted, and like so basically here in India, it's a thing where you make non-veg like chicken
Curry.
gravy,
Yeah,
mutton curry, chicken curry, prawn, fish.
Yeah.
We put everything together. Chicken,
Everything together?
Chicken, mutton, buff, fish, stock fish, dried fish, eggs. We make a meat stock out of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then we make like a soup that we have with like cassava flakes and all.
Do you miss the food from there?
Yeah. I mean, now it's like I found where to get food stuff, Nigerian food stuff in Bombay, so I cook at
Yeah,
home.
nice यार. तेरे को खाना बनाना आ गया है?
मैं 9 साल की उम्र में मैं खाना बना.
Wow.
My home, everyone knows how to cook. My brother, my 2 sisters, everyone can cook.
So who taught you to cook? Your mom taught you
Yeah,
to cook?
mom taught us how to cook. While my father was alive, we used to. My father used to like I and my brother's food. Yeah, he used to like it. So we don't. My mom did not even have to go through too much stress of cooking anymore.
That's really sweet, yeah. That you've been helping your mom since a very tender age.
Yeah. When I wake up now, also I don't like ordering food. I just wake up and I cook something and I eat my own food at home. I feel like that's safer and more hygienic also.
Home cooked food.
Home cooked food, like there's nothing as good as a home cooked food. Yeah, I don't usually like going to eateries and cafes or restaurants. I just prefer to go there also. And like great food, man. She makes great prawns, great mutton, great chicken.
I crave my home food so much because I also don't get a chance. I really get a chance to go to Kanpur now because यहाँ पे मैं इतनी सारी चीजें करता हूँ. So chance मिलता नहीं जाने का. But yeah, I also crave. अच्छा मुझे एक बात बता कि when you went back from India to Nigeria, you had a considerable amount of following.
Yeah.
People knew that you have made it big in India.
Yeah.
So Nigeria में तेरे को किस तरीके से रिसीव किया गया? तूने लोगों को बताया कि you are a famous person in India now, or you didn't tell them? कैसे किया तुमने?
I didn't have to tell everybody. I mean, my close friends, like they're friends of their friends. Like eventually everyone gets to know because then I'm shooting a content at some point and they're like, what are you doing? Then my friends tell them.
Yeah.
And like they are all like surprised. How are you able to learn the language in such a short span of time? Though I didn't find it hard to learn the language because I actually had interest in language.
Yeah.
When it was Hindi, I had very big interest and I did not take a particular course. कोई course नहीं किया मैंने.
Yeah.
I just had to like दोस्त से पूछता हूँ.
Maximum
दोस्त को अंग्रेजी बोलने भी नहीं आता है. बस एक दो दोस्त ऐसे हैं ना कि उनको अंग्रेजी बोलने आता है. जब हम लोग ग्रुप में बैठते हैं ना, ये बोलेगा, मैं उससे पूछूंगा कि ये क्या बोला. ऐसे ही हो जाता है. Like we had a group, it was Abhishek, Nitish, Jitu, Utkarsh. 2 Abhishek था. ऐसे छोटा सा ग्रुप आदेश भैया. सब साथ में बैठते रहता था. And like most of them मैं seniors only.
So there's an Indian restaurant in Nigeria?
But there's lots of Indian restaurants in Nigeria. बहुत Indian restaurants क्योंकि बहुत Indians हैं ना वहाँ पे.
हाँ वो तो काम करने के लिए बहुत लोग गए हुए हैं.
अरे काम करने के लिए वो लोग businessmen, not even काम वाली, business owners. Import, export, उनका फैक्ट्रियाँ हैं वहाँ पे. Whenever I go to these Indian parties there in Nigeria, they also recognize me. I don't know if Checkers is in India. There's a custard called Checkers.
I don't think
I don't think it's in India, but it's a very big brand in Nigeria. It's owned by Indians. Yeah, I met the owners also there in Nigeria. Yeah, they are very comfortable in Nigeria. So Nigeria is going through a lot right now, man. There's lots of terrorism going on. People being
and
kidnapped.
It's very sad, yeah.
The UN has questioned Nigerian government. What is happening? They said nothing is happening. They keep saying nothing is happening. Even the United Nations has had to plant like newscasters, journalists to investigate and come up with proof.
Yeah.
So when they question us next time, we cannot deny it.
That's just sad, yeah.
It's very sad.
That's not how you should deal with people.
It's very sad. Why in 2011 years ago, 276 girls were kidnapped from an all-girls school by a terrorist organization, and only one of them was escaped after around 10, 11 years. These people made them their wives and had made children with them. And these girls were aged from like 14 to 16, 17. And like they kidnapped them, and like, I mean, the government did, I wouldn't say they did nothing, they claimed they did something, but if they did something, we'd have seen results.
There was
But these
no
girls,
resolve to
they
it.
were-
I think, I mean, all the 276 girls went through sex slavery for at least 10, 11 years.
Yes, had children at such tender ages. It's very, very painful, man. Even recently, some terrorists went into a church. Church is a place of worship. It's just like a mandir.
Yeah.
People don't. No one is on. Like now, we are going on the road.
Yeah.
You'll be on guard while walking on the road.
Yeah.
But when you go into a holy place like
Yeah,
a
you're not
temple
on
or a
guard,
church, you just go there to talk
Yeah.
to your God, to
Yeah.
be at peace. You don't
Yeah.
expect someone to pull up with an AK-47.
Of course not.
But like these guys took advantage of such situations, and like they shot the pastor and I think his son also, kidnapped all the members of the church. The church was live streaming their program, so everyone saw
State of
everything.
events.
Around 4 years ago, on the 1st of October, Independence Day, so lots of police brutality was going on in Nigeria. Youths का गुस्सा आ गया था, so they were protesting, which is their right. They can protest.
Yeah.
Peaceful protest था. अचानक से तीसरे या चौथा दिन में the very big toll gate in Nigeria,
Yeah.
they blocked it basically. So
Yeah.
there was no money being generated from there also. Nobody. There was traffic. Everything was fucked up. So अचानक से रात को allegedly some people in uniform came, disconnected all the cameras, and जब शाम आ गया 6:30, 7 बजे, they opened fire on the crowd.
They opened fire on the crowd.
Even the government is not taking responsibility of it. They're not admitting that such happened. But we saw people who actually live streamed this thing on Instagram Live. Some DJ, her life was in Ninja. She's gone to seek asylum in Canada, I heard. They opened fire on people. And next day, everything was cleaned up, like nothing happened. United Nations asked what happened. Nothing happened.
That's just sad, yeah, because...
But that's why I said allegedly, because we denied it.
Yeah, if the government is only denying these things, we don't expect a nation to grow. But it's
Yeah.
always a good side and a bad side to a country, yeah. I think there are...
There are many good sides to Nigeria.
Yeah. Hey, tell me something, how's the party scene in Nigeria?
That's why I said you should come to Nigeria. I mean, I go to Indian clubs, I'm like, what the f this? Like, especially after going back home very recently.
Yeah.
I mean, when I left Nigeria, I was 18 years old. I was a very naive kid.
Yeah.
I had not experienced the party life. But then
The
when
club culture experience.
when I went back, I met my friends. Like, we used to go out every weekend. And she actually took me to like some top hi-fi good places.
Yeah.
And then I saw the party. I was like,
Bro, crazy.
Yeah. There's nothing happening in Bombay. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा यहाँ पे भाई. मैं अपने दोस्तों को बताता हूँ कि भाई हम लोग नाइजीरिया चलने हैं भाई एक हफ्ते के लिए भाई. नाइजीरिया जाके ना भाई उनका माइंड फ्लिप होगा. एक क्लब है वहाँ पे लेगस में. क्लब का नाम है बोहो.
Okay.
Bouncers suits नहीं पहनता है. They wear this the ancient Egyptians used to dress with all those stuff. That's how the bouncers are dressed outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like
That's
this.
cool.
Yeah. When you go inside also, there's a center stage. There's ladies dancing. And they dance throughout the whole night. Then there's different tables. And like in Nigerian clubs, there's a lot of ego.
You have convinced me to come to Nigeria.
Yeah, there's a lot of ego in Nigeria. At some point, there was this trend called Dorime. There's a song that goes Dorime. It's like an Undertaker song. They switch off the light and then they come in a casket of like 12 bottles of drinks, a dozen of bottles of drinks. And these drinks are usually like very expensive. Don Julio, Martel XO.
Yeah.
Before it used to be Hennessy XO, but now Martel XO has taken over because Martel has a collaboration with one of Africa's biggest Afrobeat artist, Davido.
Okay.
So he's promoted Martel so much that now everyone drinks Martel and Don Julio. So there's just a casket and then 6 ladies just dance and they carry the coffin over to the table. And then some other guy who is very rich also fixed on his ego, purchases 2 more caskets of that drinks. And then he just has like a very subtle banter.
Yeah.
Going over the club.
Between 2 tables.
Yeah, and then in the
cool.
club also there's what we call money changers. They have lakhs of notes in their hands. Like they sell like a 10 lakh naira for 11 lakh naira. Where I say they make their profit all men and like just to spray around in the club. But like I mean the EFCC, Economic and Financial Control Crime Commission, has now started taking people to jail for abusing the currency. So now you know what people do? They spray dollars.
Yeah, they spray dollars.
They don't spray naira anymore. They don't spray Nigerian currency. They spray dollars because then EFCC cannot do anything.
पहले बॉम्बे में डांस बार होते थे आज से 10-20
अच्छा।
साल पहले, अब बंद हो गए क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी पहले वही होता था कि लोग यहाँ पैसे उड़ा रहे हैं, सिर्फ पैसे उड़ा रहे हैं। अब कहीं यहाँ पे हिडन डांस बार्स है जो हम लोग को तो पता नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने सुना है
Because it's illegal.
इट्स इलीगल,
हमको जाना ही नहीं है उसमें।
जाना ही नहीं है। व्हाट डू यू प्रेफर, इंडियन गर्ल्स और नाइजीरियन गर्ल्स नाउ?
ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या? I mean, Asian for the win, Asian ladies for the win, man. And Indians, man, I love Indian ladies.
दोनों, that's a very it's a very politically correct answer.
Yeah.
Now give me a right, now with the actual answer. Who do you prefer? Option number 1, Nigerian women, Indian women, Chinese women, and 4th is like American women. Yeah. Very difficult. Or 5th option is all of the above.
That's the answer, man. All of the, I mean, no Chinese, man. But like, I think I prefer Indian women more, yeah. I feel dating an Indian woman is way easier than dating a Nigerian woman. I mean, obviously they are very emotional beings, women in general. Indians in general are very emotional. Indian women are
as a population are emotional people, yeah.
But then it's like they are also very reasonable, Indian women. Yeah, as compared to Nigerian women, because it's about, I don't want to stereotype every Nigerian woman,
Yeah.
but the majority always go after money.
Really?
Yeah, it's usually
That is
after
sad.
money. It's very sad.
So अब तो जाएगा तो तेरे पीछे बहुत लड़कियां लगने वाली है।
I mean, I'm from an African country. I'm from Nigeria.
Yeah.
If you go on a date, you should ideally pay. But when a lady actually offers to split the bill, ना मुझे अच्छा लगता है. But मैं split नहीं करता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ उसने भी
कम से कम
पूछा है.
ऑफर तो किया,
मेरा-
ये तो करने देना भी नहीं चाहिए।
हाँ मेरा ट्रिक है ना कि क्योंकि बहुत इंडियन women ऐसा ना कि उनको आधा ही देना है, समझ रहे हो? तो मैं क्या करता हूँ ना कि मैं बोलूंगा मैं वॉशरूम जा रहा हूँ, वॉशरूम की जगह मैं बिल जाके क्लियर करूंगा, उसको
Yeah.
पता नहीं चलेगा कि
That's being a
कितना
true
हुआ.
gentleman, man.
Yeah,
I do the
उसको
same
पता
thing.
नहीं चलेगा कि
Yeah.
कितना हुआ.
I generally what I do is when I used to go on dates, that the bill will never come on the table.
Yeah, that's the best.
Yeah, because I tell the restaurant guy beforehand कि मैं बोल देता था dates पे कि यार बिल में से बिल ये लोग बिल से बिल लेंगे ही नहीं, आप बिल दोगे कैसे?
Yeah.
I think that's being a true gentleman. That's the way it should be, and that's the way women should be treated. ना
should be,
traffic क्यों है मेरे भाई? Every kind of vehicle is there, from truck to bus to auto to cycle to motorcycle to scooter, car to a.
This is India.
This is India, like it's यहाँ पे 30,000 रुपए के व्हीकल से लेके 1.5 रुपए तक का व्हीकल खड़ा हुआ है 50,000 रुपए की रोड पे।
But I like India क्योंकि ये बहुत multi diverse country है यार, बहुत multi diverse. मतलब हर 100 किलोमीटर you meet different kind of people. बहुत अलग खाना मिल जाता है,
देखो
बहुत अलग खाना मिल जाता है, बहुत अलग
Yeah.
लोग, अलग भाषा. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है because you get to experience something new. I went to
Yeah.
Mathiran गए थे हमने
हाँ
last week on Sunday. We
अच्छा।
just waited for a day and we came back. वहाँ पे ऐसे 2 घंटे पहुँच गया हिल स्टेशन. हम लोग ऐसे हॉर्स राइडिंग किया, पूरी हिल स्टेशन
Yeah.
हॉर्स के साथ गया. Like it was very peaceful. We saw the sunset, then
Yeah.
we went back to a hotel, had dinner and came back. बहुत
तुम डेट पे गए थे मतलब?
डेट पे नहीं, दोस्त के साथ ही गए थे. अरे दोस्त के साथ ही गए थे यार. Asra और Addu. Most of my friends are not creators. Actually like
Friends are
it.
friends.
Yeah, I love my friends, man. I have
Yeah.
Rahul, I have Utkarsh,
Yeah.
I have Asra, I have Addu. I know if these people, like I've invited them and like they don't think twice about it, they'll come.
They should come. Why
Yeah.
shouldn't they come? They make me meet them, do they?
Yeah, I'll make you meet
Yeah.
every one of them. Asra has also got a clothing brand. She can actually style most of the female. She has a male section also. She
Yeah.
made this pants. She does send me.
For the next event, I'll ask her to style me. For the next What the Dot event, I'll ask her.
She can also style the creator.
Yeah, she can also style the creator.
Yeah, she'll do it. I'll make you meet her.
It's very important to have good friends in a city like Bombay because
Yeah.
they only make the life whole. Because among so many people also you'll feel lonely if you don't have the right kind of.
Yeah. I mean, I have lots of acquaintances. I have lots of people who actually want to meet me. But then I know when जब एक situation आ जाता है ना, वो लोग आएगा ही नहीं.
Yeah.
You understand? So I
It's
always
very
try to keep
important
these
कि
people
भाई
close.
आपके actual दोस्त होने. So अगू,
हाँ जी.
next time तुम अब स्टेज पे कब आने वाले हो? मतलब लेटेंट पे दिखा था तुम लास्ट टाइम स्टेज पे.
Honestly, मैं बहुत
डरते हो?
हाँ डरता हूँ स्टेज पे आएगी. मेरी फटती है स्टेज पे.
स्टेज फ्राइट है तुम्हें.
स्टेज फ्राइट है मेरा बचपन से. I mean,
हाँ.
like it's been there, but now I think I have to get accustomed to it.
अब तो जाना ही पड़ता है ना स्टेज पे बार-बार.
अभी I've been to Latent में IIT बॉम्बे मुरिंडो को भी गए थे.
हाँ.
I have to do this today.
आज वाला तो आसान है. आज तो तेरे सारे मैक्सिमम दोस्त हैं यहाँ पे. मैक्सिमम लोग को जानते हो तुम यहाँ पे.
और फिर भी क्योंकि उनका बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशंस एक्सपेक्टेशंस है ना,
हाँ।
पता नहीं कि फुलफिल करूंगा या नहीं, करने के बाद फिर पता चलेगा, बट देन इट्स ऑल पार्ट ऑफ लर्निंग। देन मैं वहां से फीडबैक लूंगा। अभी मैं और हसदीप एक शो के लिए सोच रहा था, एक्चुअली 2 शोज, बट मुझे एक फटाफट करना है यूट्यूब के लिए। I think now we have to like get into the big games also.
Yeah,
YouTube
long
is like
form.
the next in long form. Yeah.
Long form game is good, a good game.